Hi, welcome to Neon Tech channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to create video by script on Pictory. We will go through step-by-step guide on how to create video by script. In the previous video we took complete overview of Pictory website and about its different features. Please also watch the previous video for starting, so let's get back to our video. As you can see, this is the dashboard of Pictory. There are different modes like script to video, articles to video, edit videos using Text Visual Studio. But we are going to talk about just scripted videos because we are going to create videos using script, so let's start it. Here you can write the name of your video, for example, project name, and below to that you have to write video script in this script section. The visuals will be created on the basis of highlighted words. You can highlight them manually. And you can also turn on the option, like, Highlight by AI. You can also select auto visual selections and create new scenes, both on comma, new lines and highlighted words. Then on the next step you have to go to template library where you can select different templates for your video and also subtitles. And you can select their aspect ratio from 16:9 or 9:16 and 1:1. Then it will start creating the storyboard, and we will determine and analyze your text and search for the visuals according to highlighted words. While this analysis and the search for visuals is completed, and then you will go to the storyboard, and here you can see the main dashboard for the video creating. On the left side, you can see storyboard visuals, elements, audio, text styles, branding for it. These are the different things. We will go through one by one. In the story section, you can see all of your script on which the visuals are based, and you can also see the highlighted words. This is your complete story. The next one is visual. As you can see, according to the highlighted words, you can select different visuals. For example, if you do not like the front visual, you can select the one you like, ROM visual library. Under the next one is element. For example, if you have to put smileys, stickers or emojis. This is the section. The next one is audio. In the audio section is about if you have to place background music, voiceovers, and if you have to adjust their volume. This is the section. In the voiceover section, you can select voices from different AI-generated voices in English and in your respected language. In my upload section, you can upload your own background music and voiceover. For example, if you do not like the background music or voiceover, you can upload your own. And in the volume section, you can adjust volume for background music volume and voiceover volume just according to you like. In the next section, which is text, you can add text to your videos and visuals, anything you like. And important thing is these texts will not be narrated by the AI voiceovers. This is a good feature, you don't have to worry about it. The next section is styles. You can create your own style. Below to that is branding. In branding section, as you can see, and there is intro and outro and in scene. In the intro section, you can enable it in or you can disable it. This as well goes for outro scenes. You can also place your background visual, and you can also upload of your own. If you want to use intro or outro background visual, you can have them from Pictory Visual Library. You can also upload your own logo, and you can select the size of the logo and the position of the logo as well as you like. You can also select the logo opacity, for example, how much your logo should be visible in the video or in intro-outro. All is there on your disposal. You can change everything according to your likings. Last but not least, you can also edit intro-outro texts here. Here by default, can see another day, another story. But you can also change it as your own liking. And then you can also change its color, background color, highlighted word color, as much as you like. You can edit it completely. And the next section is for format. You can change the aspect ratio from landscape or portrait or square. They have 3 types of aspect ratios, and you can also optimize generated video according to your size. It will increase the generation time of video, but that would be okay. And you can also select your resolution. It is in 1080p and 720p. This is first part of the video, it is completed. I have divided this video because it would become a long video. So we will get back to you with the second part on how to create video from script on Pictory. Stay tuned.